In this video, we're doing a ring repair. You could see that ring is certainly not circular anymore. And the customer said she was kayaking and got her finger wedged in between the dock and her kayak, and apparently this ring kind of saved her finger. So we're trying to get it back into shape. The first thing I'm trying to do is to just size up the ring to try to squeeze it back into shape. And I guess a lot of keys with this jewelry type stuff is to have kind of covered tool ends so you could kind of not scratch or damage the ring from your tools. Clearly I'm using a pipe wrench here, so I've got to modify with this sock that I'm using to protect the ring. And even after the first squeeze, we're probably in good shape, and subsequent squeezes are attempting to get it back into shape. What's hard to see, there actually was a crack in the item, so I didn't want to squeeze too much. So actually one of the rings had kind of worn, and there's a line of a crack failure, so I didn't want to squeeze too much. I guess the real way to do this would be have a circular tool, like a fingering tool, and then probably heat it up and squeeze it onto there to get a nice tight fit to kind of resize the ring. But we didn't have that, so this is our best solution, and the customer was pretty happy with it. Also, as a note, you'll see a bracelet inside there. This bracelet had a simple kind of ring that was off. It was made kind of delicately, so I'm not sure how long the fix would last, but basically it's a single, it was kind of like a J-hook basically of metal, and I reattached it to the chain that had come off. Closing the end of the J-hook made it fasten back to the chain.